Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. Are you considering a home warranty to save on the high cost of repairs and replacement? In this video, I'll share warranty versus service contract, what's covered, limits and exclusions, service call fees and response time, contract target market, and takeaways. Warranties are legal contracts of assurance given by a seller or manufacturer to a buyer. A new vehicle warranty covers replacement parts and labor for a specified period of time or mileage. A new appliance warranty covers replacement parts and labor for a specified period of time. The same for new home warranties. A tile roof may come with a 30-year warranty that only covers materials. The manufacturer covers the cost of defective tiles, but not cover the labor for removal and replacement. Eventually, parts wear out and require repair or replacement. Companies sell service contracts to repair or replace covered items. Although this contract calls it a warranty, it's a service contract to repair or replace covered items. Service contracts are offered by a third party to repair or replace items covered by the contract. Contract length is typically 1 year and can be renewed annually. Depending on the company and contract, it can cover a wide variety of items, from kitchen appliances to rekeying door locks. While ads imply your appliances will be repaired or replaced, there are restrictions. For example, you have a $10,000 built-in refrigerator that stops working. Your contract has a $3,500 limit for refrigerator repairs or replacement. If the cost exceeds $3,500, the company can offer you $3,500 less the cost to diagnose the problem. Your out-of-pocket cost to replace the refrigerator is about $7,000. Even if your refrigerator is covered, the replacement can be a different make, model, or color. Instead of stainless steel, it can be white, black, or other color. The replacement may also be a used refrigerator. The same applies to other appliances. Advertisements for service repair contracts imply a small annual fee protects you from high repair and replacement costs. As I've shared, that's not always the case. Service repair contracts can have many exclusions and limitations. As with items that are covered, each contract will vary as far as exclusions and limitations. Some exclusions may be covered by a manufacturer's warranty. You need to carefully review the contract for exclusions and limitations. For example, repairing your shower's water line requires removing wall tiles. Your service contract covers the cost to repair the plumbing, but it may not cover the cost to repair the wall and replace the tiles. To maximize profits, the repair company may use refurbished and lower-cost third-party parts. The repair may only be guaranteed for 30 days. After 30 days, you may owe another service call fee. File too many service requests, and your contract may not be renewed. Again, carefully read the contract for all exclusions and limitations. Besides the annual contract fee, most companies charge a service call fee. The fee ranges between $75 to $125. The higher the fee, the less you'll pay annually for coverage. Unlike private companies that respond the same day, for non-emergencies, a service repair company can take 24 to 48 hours to notify their authorized repair company. The repair company contacts the homeowner to schedule a service call. The repair and warranty companies determine if the issue is covered by your contract. For example, you have a clogged sewer and water backing up into bathroom and kitchen drains. The cause is a damaged sewer pipe clogged with tree or plant roots. Your service contract does not cover root-clogged sewer lines. You are responsible for the entire cost to repair the damage. Home service repair contracts are marketed primarily to women, people who are not mechanically inclined, and people with little or no savings. For example, a woman standing in her bathroom thinks a toilet flushing for 3 hours may be unusual. She does not know toilets have a water shutoff valve or how to use it. And for less than $10 and 5 minutes of her time, she can replace the toilet flapper. Most conventional toilet repairs cost less than a service call fee. The same with replacing a worn-out receptacle or switch. In August 2022, I replaced a 16-year-old oven temperature sensor with an original equipment part for less than a service contract fee. For people not comfortable working with electricity or plumbing, a service repair contract may be appropriate. Some takeaways from this video are to carefully read the contract, evaluate more than one company, review all limitations and exclusions, ignore marketing hype, consider your financial situation, and be aware that out-of-pocket costs can be thousands of dollars. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching.